In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook error 0X800ccc92 step by step in a simple and safe way. This error usually means Outlook is having trouble signing into your email server, and in many cases it happens because of the wrong username or password, or because your server settings need to be updated. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling Outlook or making major changes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's understand what this error means. Outlook error 0X800ccc92 is commonly tied to authentication problems, which means your email provider is rejecting the login details Outlook is sending. So the first thing you want to do is verify your username and password. Open Outlook and check whether you're able to sign in normally. If you recently changed your password, there's a good chance Outlook is still trying to use the old one. In that case, update the saved password in Outlook and sign in again with the correct credentials. If you use the same email on your phone or browser, make sure the password works there first. That confirms whether the issue is with Outlook or with the email account itself. Next, if the login details are correct and you're still seeing the error, the next step is to clear the deleted items folder. In some cases, a full or problematic mail folder can interfere with sending and receiving messages. Open Outlook, go to your deleted items folder and empty it completely. Make sure there's nothing important inside first, because this will permanently remove those emails. Once the folder is cleared, restart Outlook and check whether the error is gone. Now let's look at server settings, because outdated or incorrect mail server settings can also trigger this problem. Open your account settings in Outlook and review the incoming and outgoing server information. Make sure the server names, ports, and authentication settings match what your email provider recommends. If you're using POP or IMAP, double check that the username is the full email address if your provider requires it. Also confirm that the outgoing server authentication option is enabled if your provider needs it. Even one small mismatch can cause Outlook to reject the connection and show error 0X800ccc92. After reviewing those settings, save the changes and try sending or receiving mail again. If the issue still appears, sign out of Outlook completely and close the program, then reopen it and allow it to reconnect fresh to the mail server. This can help clear out temporary authentication issues. If you're using Outlook with a work or school account, there may also be a server-side password reset or policy issue, so it may be worth checking with your email administrator. One more thing to try is making sure your email account isn't locked after too many failed login attempts. If you entered the wrong password multiple times, your provider may temporarily block access for security reasons. Logging in through your browser and confirming your account status can help you spot that quickly. So to recap, the main fixes for Outlook error 0X800ccc92 are to verify your login credentials, clear the deleted items folder, and check that your server settings are correct. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the problem and get Outlook working again. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.